Okay, hands. Start from the beginning. Alternate effleurage of the thumb. Cross fibre frictions. Julian Cleary. And link hands. Work in between the bones with the thumb walk in between the bones. Coming from the wrist to the knuckle. And pull off and twist each finger and thumb. Imagine you trying to pinch a ring. Turn the hand over, alternate thumbs of the wrist, cross fibre frictions, alternate thumbs of the wrist. You're on the wrist, you're on the palm, that's it. Cross fibre frictions. That's it. And then link hands. No, palm up. On the top, palm up. And down through the fingers. That's it. Now work with the other one all over the palm. And the pressure walk. Going from the wrist to the knuckle. And then pull off and twist each finger and thumb. Not with the fingers, but with your palm as well. Okay. That's it. And the thumb, and then finally we're going to link little fingers into the thumb and the little finger. Little fingers down. That's it. That's it. And the thumb comes up the middle of the palm. That's it. I'm going to turn the hand over, finish with 3 effleurage and a nice hand cuddle. And I'm going to cover up, taking the shoulders.